Hi, welcome to BrainyBuzz. This is Premvada and we are going through the CSS tutorials. So far we have seen some of the tutorials like table properties and list properties and so on. So today we are going to start the scroll bar properties. And for any queries or for more information you can contact me at technical.trainer1909@gmail.com. So our first property is the overflow property. This is basically if you want to set the content overflow property, that is whether you want to include the scroll bar or you want to make it hidden, or you can make it automatic. So like this we can include. So let's see a demo for it. So I have written a normal structure for the HTML page, and let's include some headings over here about us. And in the paragraph I have copy pasted the introduction or about us of the BrainyBuzz. So let's save it. Till now you can see that when you refresh it, your about us and your data that is coming all over the web page. But supposingly if you want to control it, if you want to make it in a simple page, then what we can do is we can write here the style tag. After that close it. For the paragraph you can write as you can set the width and height of the box, like I'll set it 100 pixels. Same is the height, I'll set 100 pixels. And after that the overflow property I want to set, I'll set it scroll over here and this semicolon. So when you refresh it, you can see it is kind of very small, and you can see the scroll bars coming over here. I'll set it as 200, and this one is 300. So if you can refresh it, we have one scroll bar. So this way you can set the various properties of the overflow. Like this. It depends, like you need only this particular scroll bar, you do not need this one. So like this you can set the scroll bar property with the auto. That means wherever the scroll bar is necessary, there it will come. But with the scroll property here both scroll bars will come. Here also you can see that there is a scroll bar, but there is no scroll over here because it's coming nicely. So this way you can set the properties. After this we have your overflow X, that is hidden. Same, it is used to clip the left and right edges of the document if it overflows the element content area. So let's see how it works. Overflow X. Over here I'll right, there are many properties like visible, hidden, scroll, auto, no display, no content. So I'll write as scroll over here and save it. So you can see there is a scroll bar. Yeah, this scroll bar is gone. You can see this scroll bar is here. So like this you can set the properties like X and Y. So that's it for the scroll bars. After that we have the cursor properties. Supposingly if you want to hover off over an element and you want to specify a cursor over there, so with this you can use the cursor parameter and you can set the values for it. There are some values like alias, all scroll, auto, cell, context menu, and you can see the description over here. Like these are some various cursors that you can use. I'll write the crosshair. So Control S. So when you refresh it and you hover, like here you can see a pointer, but when you hover upon this paragraph you can see a cross over here. So like this, if you, I'll write help over here, you save it and refresh it, you can see a small question mark with this arrow, with this pointer. So this is the help. So this way you can set different cursors, and whenever you hover upon the element that you mention over here, this thing, whether you mention heading or whether you mention image or any other, then it will be the cursor will be set like that. If you wait it hover over here and you refresh it, you can see a circle is coming, that is for the weight. So this way you can mention the cursors according to your need. After that we can see the rules over here. Rules are basically defines the sets. Like the import we have first, this rule allows you to import the CSS file. So we'll see it. Over here if you write as import, it's in the style tag, and you can mention the URL over here, and in this you can mention some values. One CSS file I have over here, so I'll just copy paste the name over here like this, or make it in double quotes, and in the style tag I have to mention the type also, the CSS text / CSS. When you save it and refresh it, so like this I have removed the normal properties and I've saved it, and you can see the difference over here. In the CSS we have color as red and text alignment as red. So, and the over here I can write as H1, and I can just refresh it. So over here the format, the property is also applied to the H1 element. So this way you can include the external style sheets in your code. So another rules we'll study in the next tutorial. Thanks and have a nice day.